Too many machines. Too much energy data. Not enough insight. Energy inefficiencies draining your bottom line. Compliance challenges keeping you up at night. It's time to shift from monitoring to mastering energy. Introducing Smart EMS by TechnoViz, your intelligent platform for energy monitoring, management, and savings. Real-time tracking of electricity, DG sets, solar, water, and more. Intuitive dashboards tailored to your facility. Automated alerts for abnormalities or overuse. ISO 50001 aligned reporting tools. Seamless integration with existing infrastructure. Whether it's a factory, commercial building, or utility provider, Smart EMS delivers the insights you need. Spot energy leaks, track consumption trends, and take proactive action all in one place. Customers using Smart EMS have reduced energy costs by up to 25%, improved equipment uptime, achieved faster ROI on energy-saving initiatives. With Smart EMS, energy management became smart and simple. We make informed decisions, not assumptions. Ready to transform your energy management? Take control with TechnoViz Smart EMS.